You've always found comfort in the known, the rhythm of routine, the beauty of stillness, the peace of staying grounded. But this June, something begins to stir. Not chaos, not crisis, just a quiet urge to stretch. Jupiter moves into Cancer, and your thoughts start to deepen. Words feel heavier. Conversations hit closer to the heart. What once felt like background noise now asks for your attention. This is the month to say what's been sitting in your chest, not loudly, but clearly. Mars in Leo brings heat to your home life. You may feel the need to assert boundaries, rearrange your space, or take back emotional ground. With Uranus still in your sign, the energy can be volatile. Sudden outbursts or realizations might surprise you. But they're not there to shake your peace. They're here to reveal where you've stayed silent too long. It's okay to want more. More safety, more truth, more space to grow. This month also asks you to slow down and listen, not just to others, but to yourself. You've been holding so much. Let June be the month you set something down. In relationships, you may crave deeper connection, less performance, more presence. You're not looking for perfection anymore. You want someone who can sit with your silences and still feel close. Someone who doesn't need fixing and doesn't want to fix you either. Just meet you where you are. Financially, this isn't the time for impulsive moves. With Mercury shifting signs, your perspective changes quickly. Wait before making big decisions. Clarity is still forming. Career-wise, things move behind the scenes. This isn't a spotlight month. It's a preparation phase. You're building something more aligned, and that takes quiet strength. Emotionally, there's a softening underway. Let it happen. Let yourself loosen the grip on what no longer feels solid. You don't have to be the unshakable one all the time. By the end of the month, you'll likely feel clearer, not because you forced anything, but because you allowed the fog to lift naturally. This is your invitation, Taurus. Be still, but not stagnant. Grow, but without rushing. Speak, even if your voice trembles. If this felt true for you, stay close. The sky is still unfolding, and you haven't seen everything yet. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And check the description. 2 special gifts are waiting for you. Until next time, keep looking to the stars.